Today in the grain market, soybeans were lower. There's weather improvement in U.S. and Canada. That put a little pressure on the market. But the USDA report on Friday is coming, and that may change things pretty quickly. Today, we were down about 15 cents. We got down to 12.31 and a half. Well, let's see if that continues to hold. Option open interest added 3,200 to the put side, kind of pushing the puts above the calls at this point right now. We have 136,000 open interest on the puts with 125 on the calls. CVOL for soybeans is at 23.7%, with the oil at 30.2 and the meal much higher at 35.8%. Today, corn did fall. The farmers are doing some profit taking right now, sending futures a little bit lower. They're just trying to take advantage of the rally that we've had recently, giving back pretty much all of the week's gains. And we've kind of slipped back into that same channel that we had been in since March 1st. Futures were about 9.5 cents lower. We got down to 457 and 3/4 right now. But, again, Friday's report may change things pretty quickly. Option open interest added a little bit to the call on the put side and still leaving that 3-2 margin, 221 open interest on the calls against 150 on the put side. Corn CVOL is at 25.5%. Today, wheat has been down. That USDA estimate updates is kind of like impacting markets right now. There's a lot of issues with weather, worldwide, so that's something that we've got to be watching. But this downturn kind of gave back most of the Monday's surge for wheat. Futures today had a 21-cent range, so that was pretty high, but we were down about 14 and a half. We got down to 628 and a quarter at one point. The real deal on Friday will have the last say, so we'll see what happens. The next couple of days could be a little bit choppy until that report comes at Friday at 11 Central Time. CVOL on the wheat is at 44%.